up, everybody? Welcome back to a quick episode of The Shift. I'm getting to a location now called the Boombox near where the old Group B was, because if you're not familiar, there's a gentleman on Instagram called Naturejab. I don't know his name, but we will meet him here eventually. So basically, he invented, again, fuel derived from plastic waste, and we got people here. Very cool, very cool. We're the Group B. Group B. We're literally right here. Sick, mate. We're here. Just parked outside here. Reminds me of the scene from Fast and the Furious where they pulled up to Neptune's net by all the motorcycles. I kind of got that feeling. How Vin and Paul felt pulling up with that orange super. Damn, there's a line. Oh, they're doing it like that. I smell some barbecue. Smells good. Sick. Some people here. Alright, so we're in here at the Naturejab event. It's right next to where the old Group B was. It's right there. Seen this guy before? Uh-oh. Whoa, I know this car. I know this car. Literally, I know this car. What is Group B over here? Sick. Alright, let me get some beauty shots over here, but
get started. Thank you.
woo!
Darling son, Naturejab, Julian Brown.
Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you, Mom. Mama Jab. Mama Jab! Hey, by a show of hands, how many of you knew about me when I was missing or disappeared? And of course, it was Mama Jab that reassured the world that I was okay. And
Alright, it's almost time. What's up? Camera receptions, shift reception. Oh, it's raining.
yeah.
Uh-oh.
With solar panels, $0 a gallon, and behind me is a BMW S1K, the world's first superbike to run off of plastic waste. Are you guys ready? Wait, espera. Espera, mis español hablantes. Estamos listos. Latino Miami, aquí tengo Plastoline. Del plástico. Y detrás mío es una BMW S1K, la primera motocicleta. Residuos plásticos. ¿Están listos? ¡Sí! ¡Sí! ¡Hasta mi corazón y mi alma! ¡Hagámoslo! Plastic is not wasted, it's fuel. Right here in Miami, first bike in the world. Thank you for having me.
Sounded way better running on that. Like, that exhaust was spitting flames a lot more than it normally does.
You heard it there. Miami, we did it. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much, Howard. Thank you so much, Miami Cam Squad, Mortgage Roofing. Where's Laz, the venue owner? Laz, I got something for you. There you are. Thank you. So what we'll do now?
You left him hanging. You left him hanging.
So many of you have been patient, and thank you for your patience. We will begin the picture.
Oh!
Say it one more time. You guys got it one more time for me now.
Plastic is not waste. It is fuel.
Miami, let's go!
That was that for the naturejab event. We just saw Plastoline in action in a BMW, what is it?
S1K.
S1K Superbike. The owner, Howard.
Running at 110 octane.
Plastic fuel.
Yeah.
Plastic
Naturejab.
fuel. Naturejab.
The
on
owner
Instagram.
of that bike had said that it was running super smooth. The throttle response was a lot more peppy, better than it would be on pump gas.
Yeah.
It was even shooting flames just like
It
bum,
was
bum,
shooting
bum, bum.
and
It was
clean
so
blue
good.
flame. It was running phenomenally. Even according to the owner, he said no check engine light. It's a bike that's super finicky with fuel and
a
yada
BMW.
yada. BMW Superbike, you know. So all in all, we saw it in action. We've seen other examples. He also ran it on a scat pack back in Georgia. It was running good too.
Yeah.
Also, the scat pack is flex fuel, so I mean,
Yeah.
there's
You
that.
can
So
flex
it'd be
that
interesting to see it on a car, which is why I also told him to come out to the FADA December 20th Race of Champions, because maybe we can run it on a race car, because it is 110 octane fuel, and we have race cars, and race going on. It's so facto.
It would be so good.
It would be very
smell,
cool.
The track would smell
I mean,
delicious.
maybe FADA becomes net zero emission racing series.
Actually,
Who
it would
knows?
be interesting to test. We should. That would have been a great question to ask. Have
What?
you ever tested the emissions? Even though it smelled cleaner, it would be interesting to see the comparison.
Well, if it's
Like
higher octane, it
bro,
burns.
normally behind a pump gas bike, you can't breathe that in, or a pump gas car, whatever.
True.
That guy was revving it. I was inhaling it, and I'm like, yes, give me more.
Nah, yeah.
Give me more. I'll show you the video. I promise.
It's still not good to. Don't breathe. You've ever seen that Will It Blend back in the day? Don't breathe this. Well, I'll put it in there. Yeah, don't breathe it. But it does smell very interesting. You know, he was passing around a little jar with a little bit inside, and to me it smelled like a nail polish remover. I like that acetone. But then when it was running on the bike, it smelled, for me also, it smelled more like lighter fluid on charcoal when you're starting a barbecue kind of smell. What for you, what was it like?
Like a barbecue.
Kind of like that. But it was sick. I mean, it works.
But
So
an alcoholic, or like you start the charcoal
True.
with rubbing alcohol.
Mm,
That's what it smells.
that's what it's true. Exactly.
Not just alcohol.
Not lighter fluid.
Not lighter fluid.
Alcohol.
Rubbing alcohol.
Yeah,
That's
true.
what it smells.
Exactly. But anyways, it works, and it seems to be revolutionary, and hopefully it does become revolutionary in the world. And if there's any way that we can help make that happen, we are gonna try. So honestly, congratulations to you, Julian Brown,
And the family. Honestly.
naturejab, and the family. No, you guys raised a great kid, clearly, because he's like some Tony Stark type figure we're even talking about. This is
Emmett Brown, if you will.
Emmett Brown. That's actually a great one.
So come to the track December 20th.
Boom.
It'd be a
There you
great
go.
time.
And on that note, plastic is not waste, it is fuel. Boom.
Back to the studio.
Back to the studio. Peace. Thanks for watching.